Hi guys. Qlik and Power BI are both business intelligence and data analytics platforms, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Power BI and Qlik, and we'll consider 3 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. And let's start with the pricing. Microsoft offers 2 options to Power BI users: Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium, where the former has quite a few limitations and the latter provides a lot more functionality. Users have the option to try the tool out for free by downloading the Power BI desktop application. This free version allows for personal report and dashboard creation and limits the data source connections. In order to unlock the connecting, sharing and collaborating options, users will need to pay $10 per user per month for a BI Pro license. To get access to some of the more exciting features, though, customers will need to pay $20 per user per month. And this includes stuff like data flows, advanced AI capabilities, paginated reports, etc. The premium per capacity plan starts at $4,995 per capacity per month. These license options are manageable for companies under 100 employees, but naturally bigger companies will need to contact Microsoft's sales team for a custom-tailored price quote. Qlik's price list, on the other hand, aims to get users straight into the action with their Qlik Sense business license. It costs $30 per user per month billed annually and contains all the features that come built in with Qlik Sense, with some limitations at places like the app size limit or the number of shared spaces a user can access. If unsure about the cost, clients can utilize the 30-day free trial to explore and test out this cloud-based version. This license option is great for small businesses, but the bigger the company size, the more beneficial it becomes to request a custom price quote from Qlik's sales team. And for the data visualization, interactive visualizations are a standard attribute of leading BI tools, and Power BI and Qlik Sense give you various graphic types to display data. Both products provide automatic data refreshes, essential for live updates. Microsoft's Power BI has most of the popular and classic visualizations available out of the box, as well as some generic customization options which users can apply quickly through the use of templates. However, developers will have to resort to the custom visuals marketplace if they want to make something more unique for their dashboards. Most of the charts you can find there are free and either beautify some existing classic charts or add new and interesting ones. If nothing fits your needs, you always have the option to use code to create your own custom design and package them for either organizational sharing or publishing in the marketplace. So at the end of the day, Microsoft offers their Power BI users flexibility and customization, but they would either have to be satisfied with the options on the marketplace or be prepared to learn to code on their own. Qlik Sense comes with most of the traditional charts and tables, and their customization level are about what you'd expect. Change colors, labels, and on some charts, even their presentation styles. Users can also use some emojis in their visualizations, provided they code them in. And here's the part which might deter some newcomers. You have to be able to code if you want to make your dashboard visually unique. Of course, there's always the option to utilize extensions to achieve your vision. However, Qlik doesn't make them as readily available and applicable as Power BI. Qlik Sense handles data visualization adequately, but the lack of easily accessible customization hampers it. And for the analytics, both products are popular enterprise reporting tools with managed and ad hoc reporting capabilities. Qlik Sense flexibility lets you create master item lists within custom apps to create reports. You can combine unlimited data sources together in case of Qlik View without making any initial preparation. The tool is using an in-memory engine for data analysis and enabling data discovery and patterns that cannot be done by SQL alone. The next advantage of the tool is the social media analysis function of the tool that collects data from multiple social networks like Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and more. It also promotes automatic analysis and data insights when the user interacts with data sources. The analyzed data is useful for organizations in multiple ways at different levels. The Microsoft Power BI tool is easy to learn that offers affordable BI experiences. It looks very much similar to Excel with recognizable functionalities. Further, the tool involves multiple complex data analysis functions, integration points. Other than this, data discovery, data preparation, and interactive dashboard capabilities are also included in the Power Suite. The data management has gone much simpler with multiple tools and techniques. Besides the standard data analysis, the tools offers location-based analysis services too. So Qlik certainly wins an edge here because of the best analytics features. This is a more flexible analytics platform allowing businesses to customize guided applications that are updated during use. So choosing between Qlik and Power BI depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It'll depend on your current needs. My recommendation, if you want a fast-performing, optimized and all-in-one experience, then Qlik is most likely the platform for you. Well, if you want to quickly jump into data analytics with a familiar and user-friendly tool with all the bells and whistles you need, then Power BI is probably the way to go. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description and that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.